everyone, welcome to Ribeira's Kitchen. Thank you for joining this channel. In this video, we make a creme caramel without eggs. Yes, it's very easy, handy, tasty and practical dessert for which we don't need an oven, just a cooking pan. The ingredients are simple, that can be found in every kitchen as well. So, if you are curious, keep watching and let's do it.
At first, set your stove to a medium heat. Put 100 gram butter in a pot. Instead of butter, you can also use margarine. We let the butter melt in the pot. After that, add 120 gram wheat flour and fry the flour with the melted butter. Meanwhile, we don't forget to mix, of course. By the way, this is the sauce method that is used to prepare bechamel sauce. Many cooks use a wooden spoon to fry the flour. You can use that too. But because I'm soon going to pour the milk, I prefer a whisk for that, so I can quickly move on to stirring. Add the 1 liter milk into the pot step by step, not all at once. And don't be afraid of the lumps of flour. When we stir continuously and pouring the milk little by little, these lumps of flour will dissolve in the warm milk. I hope it's not too boring to watch this part for you, but I think it's important to see this process a bit longer, because I want to show you how the mixture turns soon into a milk cream. I always advise to use a whisk for the mixing process, it makes it easier. Sometimes we need to stir a little more powerful so that the flour doesn't stick on the bottom of the pot. We keep stirring until we use up all the 1 liter milk into the mixture. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla sugar or extract into the mixture. For more vanilla flavor, you can also use more vanilla, of course. I use additionally a few drops orange flavor, because I find this flavor gives the cream a fresh note. You can also use other flavors like lemon, cinnamon, banana, or none of them, as you like. When the mixture is still a bit liquid, add 100 gram sugar into. Very nice, we get a really creamy mixture. Actually a custard without eggs in it. And yes, we finally have our desired consistency. Let the cream cool down a bit, so about 15 to 20 minutes. Then pour it into a bowl. You can find the ingredients for this recipe and information also in the video description box. Cover the surface with a foil so that it doesn't build a firm skin on its top layer. Let the cream cool for at least 1 hour in the fridge. Our cream is cool enough now. Mix 250 ml water with 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Put on medium heat 100 gram sugar into the pan. You can allow yourself a bit imagination while waiting. And that invites me to do just that. The caramelization of the sugar takes some time. It takes on a very nice color, doesn't it? Now add the cornstarch mixture. Don't worry, at the beginning the sugar will still be a little hard due to the cold starch, but have patience, it will turn into a jelly-like sauce. The caramel sauce is now ready. It must now cool slightly. Just 5-minute waiting is enough. Meantime, take the cream out of the bowl. You can also use another mold for this purpose. Pour the still warm caramel sauce on the cream. Make sure that the caramel sauce is still warm and has its liquid but jelly-like consistency. We see here a smooth texture. I cut a piece so you can see the inside of this cream. The more caramel sauce, the better it tastes. It's a little shaky, like a sponge. But it is soft and can be spooned well. And the taste is delicious. You can give a try to this dessert in your spare time. Wouldn't it be a sweet gift for your sweetheart for Valentine's Day? So, we have reached the end again. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to the next time. Be happy, stay healthy, and bye!